little geese. Look at the tiny, tiny little geese. They're so cute. Oh, I think they're about to go to the pond. So cute. Oh, my phone does not like to focus. Oh, something's happening. Oh, bird. Ah, that's why. Apparently, we have a bird nest. That bird scared me. Oh, dear Lord.